Are you in a place that is inhibiting your growth? Well, here's a scenario. You are an adult. You live at home with your parents or whoever you live with. You don't pay bills. You don't even care where your meals come from. You have never made a dime for yourself. I mean, at least for the longest time. Because whether or not you're serious with your life, you will still have your basic needs taken care of. Whatever is giving you the confidence to be lazy, be it boyfriend, husband, parent, sponsor, or sugar mommy or sugar daddy, it's not doing you any good. You may even be in school or you are learning a trade, but you're not serious with it because you feel life is perfect. You relax. Well, be prepared for a rude awakening because the reality is they can't do that forever. So let that realization jolt you back to reality. Your comfort zone is destroying your future. If that is your case, then it's time to leave. Go to a place that challenges you to take action. A place where you worry